Hi guys, Ken Conley here, Reflection Product Manager. Today I'm standing in front of the newest floor plan in the 100 series, the 29RL. This floor plan is 32 feet 9 inches, weighs at 9,100 pounds, and this is actually a floor plan that is built on the new Grand Design Omega chassis at the 100 series price point, which is really cool. I'm going to get into some features. Can't wait to show you. Going to start here at the entryway. This is our entry door of excellence. We've got an extended grab handle. You have your solid step. You also have your Lippert screen defender. These are all standard features, and you can't see it underneath, but there is a leash hitch. So we are thinking about those little guys that you take out to the campground. Another thing that I want to mention is 2 awnings here. You have your awnings, you have your awning on the slide, as well as this awning over the campsite. Next thing on the exterior we're going to jump into is the unobstructed pass-through. Why is this important? Because you got to put your stuff in here. You're not going to see any vent pipes. You're not going to see any plumbing. You're going to have unobstructed all the way through there to get all that things that you need to take to the campground. Then we're going to walk around front, and I'm going to show you some things on the front side. Continuing on the exterior, we've got some of my favorite features outside. Nice thick slam latch door. You got the strut there. No leash up top that you have to secure the door with. Falls down and hits your head. Inside this compartment, you're going to have your dual battery storage. You're going to have your progressive dynamics converter, your 60 amp charge controller. Every reflection does come equipped in the 100 series with a 180 watt solar panel. That is standard on the roof. Continuing to walk around. Another great feature on the 100 series we have is auto level. Auto level is a standard feature. And your off door side compartment door, you're going to have your control panel along with your Nautilus panel. And you can also see there next to that, you have Lippert's prep for TPMS. That is your repeater. You can go in and install that aftermarket. That is prepped on the 100 series. Walking around to the rear, one more feature I want to point out for you. On the exterior of this 100 series, unlike a lot of our competitors, we still do install that ladder standard. You're also going to have a receiver hitch. Welcome inside the 29RL. This is a standard rear living floor plan. We're going to walk you through a few features, definitely go over my favorite features, starting with the swivel dinette. This swivel dinette is super versatile. You've got a table that rotates 180 degrees. This is a better viewing angle if it's just the two of you. You also have a storage ottoman. You can take out, put in front of the TV, eat dinner, read a book. This cushion does come off that wall here. Working around, theater seating here, USB-C charger in the arms, trifold sleeper sofa for the additional sleeping here. Another key feature that I love, storage behind the TV. Dead space is the enemy. Want to make sure that we're giving you a place to put all of your stuff. You do have your stereo above. Nice pantry here. Coming around, fix this carpet here. 12 volt, 10 cubic foot refrigerator by Furrion, all Furrion black appliances. You do have your hutch here, and in the hutch, one thing that I want to point out is you do have the Starlink prep on every 100 series floor plan. That is going to give you the ability to have satellite as well as your WineGuard connection if you want to do cellular. We'll work our way towards the bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. Here I am standing in the shower. You've got your overhead light. You do have some additional space for those taller folks. Storage up above, you got your towel rack, sink, nice drawer space here, and a medicine cabinet. This Furrion control panel here is for your tankless hot water heater. Watch my head there. I'm going to walk in through the bedroom. Welcome to the bedroom. Couple features that I want to point out here. Starting with bedside, you have the 110 outlet and the USB on both sides of the bed. You have your bedside shelf. Moving around to the wardrobe space, every 100 series does come equipped with washer dryer prep, as well as the 2 drawers below and the open shoe storage at the base there. Last thing I want to talk on here is the AC. You see here we're standing in the bedroom and you have a standard 8K AC. That is going to be paired with the 18K chill cube. The chill cube is really great because it also comes standard with a heat pump. The heat pump does push hot air through your AC ventilation. And that's going to conclude our tour of the 29RL. Come visit the website at granddesignrv.com for more.